Have you stared at the night sky and wondered about the twinkling lights? They are fascinating to look at, aren't they? If you stare at them for too long, they appear to move, right? But did you know that there is one star that has a fixed position in the sky? Which is it? And why does it appear to be fixed? Let's find the answer to this question in today's video. Does the North Star really point to the north? In the ancient times, sailors faced challenges navigating at night on the sea. However, soon they discovered that one star, which was a part of the Ursa Minor constellation that represents a small bear, remained fixed in the sky, while other stars moved around it. This tail star of the small bear consistently indicated the north direction and became known as the pole star. Eventually, sailors and astronomers began relying on the pole star for navigation. Locating Polaris in the night sky can be challenging, as Ursa Minor is a very faint constellation. But some other bright constellations are always a helpful guide. In the constellation of Ursa Major, there is a very famous pattern called the Big Dipper. Drawing an imaginary line with the help of these two stars, which are situated at the end of the dipper's cup, act as a guide towards Polaris. Similarly, another constellation called Cassiopeia, which forms a W or M shape, can help us spot Polaris. You can use these stars of this constellation as an arrow to point approximately in the direction of Polaris. But do you know why the North Star is called the pole star? The answer to this is very simple. The title pole star is not a name for one particular star. Instead, we use it for the star which is situated directly above the Earth's north pole. As such, it is the only bright star whose position relative to a rotating Earth does not change. All other stars appear to move opposite to the Earth's rotation beneath them. The star which is situated there right now is named Polaris, which is a Latin derivative for pole star. Also, the star situated at the South Pole is known as the Polaris Australis or Sigma Octantis. Even though we commonly refer to the North Pole star as Polaris, it is not just a single star, but it comprises a trio of stars. And the most luminous among them is named Polaris A. Polaris has an apparent magnitude of plus 1.98. The star's position lies within 1 degree of the north celestial pole, thus establishing it as the present northern pole star. When viewing Polaris through a telescope, you may observe an additional faint star known as Polaris A B, shining at a magnitude of plus 9 and displaying a pale bluish hue. In 1929, the discovery of a third companion star, Polaris B, occurred by analyzing its spectrum. Identified as a white dwarf, its proximity to the significantly brighter Polaris AA clarifies why it remained unnoticed for an extended period of time. The North Star is a title that passes to different stars over time. Why, you may ask? Let's understand it with an example. Here is the top, and this is its axis. When we rotate it, the top wobbles, and this wobbling causes the axis to move in a cyclic motion. This type of motion is called precession. Similarly, the Earth's rotation on its axis over a longer period of time undergoes this precession motion, apart from rotation and revolution. This causes the axis of Earth to get aligned with different stars. And so, my friends, this is the way the North Star title passes to different stars over time. From the 4th to 2nd millennium BC, the axis of Earth's rotation pointed towards the star Thuban, situated in the constellation of Draco. Currently, it points towards the star Polaris. But do you know, in about 12,000 years, it will point towards a very bright star, Vega, situated in the constellation of Lyra. Interesting, right? So, now we know that the North Star really points towards the north. It will be interesting to see how Polaris moves away and Vega becomes our new pole star.